There he is. Look at this. Nani pag gama sa ilang balay diri sa Amerika, guys. Nanihon pag gama. Mao ni siya. Is this here?
What?
A room this here?
No, we're here. Wash dishes.
Yes, wash dishes.
Dishwasher?
Yep.
No, dishwasher right here.
Yep. And there's the sink. You wash your hands there. That's the aircon through to the whole house. See? There. It is brand new. Wow, brand new.
Can't get in. Closed. He lives here. He wants to get going.
Look at this house.
Oh, beautiful.
Brand new. Look at that. Wow. Brand new house. I like that. And higher is here too.
Open trench.
There you go.
Well, that's Bella Vista. This is something else.
There it is. Brand new.
I have a trailer park up there.
Brand new house here. Wow, so big that time, maybe 1 million na. Not that,
Two-car
but
garage.
only 2-car garage.
Small two-car garage.
Yep. Have a Rambler.
Look at the roofs right there. Can't even see over it.
Yeah.
Overpriced right here.
Here's Rambler.
You wanna go look?
Okay, we look at. There he is. There he is.
Mountain view back there. Houses be going in there now.
Yep. A view in the mountain there. That there. There you go. Wow, I like this.
No view in there.
So okay, that.
Screen's in port.
Why screen too? How about porch here? Wow. Why so long the backyard?
They have like a mini house in the backyard.
Uh-oh. Ah, garage that there.
No, it's not garage, right?
What's that there?
It's just a mini house for the in-laws. There's a mountain view over there.
Yeah, there's the mountain view.
Over there too.
Look at that.
But it's too bad those houses went down a little bit more.
Yeah. Wow.
Fireplace in the patio.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that fireplace.
Wow, so big fireplace, huh? If me, it's okay have no fireplace. Because it's already hot here.
2x6 construction.
Ah, wow, that's good. Look at this. Nani pag gama sa ilang balay diri sa Amerika, guys. Nanihon pag gama. Mao ni siya.
Actually, this is 2x4 construction.
Yeah, mix.
Only in the middle it had 2x6.
Yeah, mix this. Ug mao ni ilahang kwarto.
This is where you stand.
What's this here?
What?
A room this here?
No, we're here. Wash dishes.
Yes, wash dishes.
Dishwasher?
Yep.
No, dishwasher right here.
Yep. And there's the sink. You wash your hands there.
Small garage. There's a bathroom. It's a 3-car garage.
What's in here? Other room or
It's tight.
look like what's in here, honey? It's a
Oh, they got
washing and drying room.
He's running.
Ah, it's so hot, RJ. And no, there's RJ. And there is the
Up
garage.
and down. It's on a slab. Okay.
Only 2-car garage here. Only kada ko itang garage. 2-car garage. Here is.
I don't know
Here's.
what this is. Oh, this must be a bathroom. No, but there's no toilet hole. Oh, what's this? Don't say.
Maybe the aircon. Put the furnace there. Yeah, then the room. Where's the room now? Have no room.
This must be the mudroom. Okay.
Yeah, here's the mud room here. Small.
Come into the garage, the wash and dry mudroom. And these other miscellaneous rooms, don't know what they are.
Yeah.
Kitchen. and
Maybe a
kitchen.
closet up there.
This must be like a separate sitting area.
Yeah, maybe it's
I think this is the dining area. That's like a separate sitting
Yeah.
room.
maybe.
There's your main living room. And all the bathrooms are on the other side.
Wow, have double
Where else do you go?
RJ. Have double fireplace.
Look at this.
See? Up there. Ah, here is the room. There he is.
There's the master bedroom.
Where's the master bedroom?
Back.
Ah, there's the back.
There's the door over there.
Look what
Yeah.
I have.
What's that?
Okay, count. 1, 2,
It's a nail, RJ.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Here is
11, 12,
big room.
13,
There's a window. Do you fit that window? Look out.
Yep.
18, 19,
There he is.
20, 21, 22,
The bed go against these windows, I guess.
25.
Hot.
There's a door to the bedroom.
Oh.
Look, there are cracks in the concrete. too.
Here's the door.
There's cracks in the slab there.
Yeah.
1, 2 fireplaces.
Plus the bedroom. Right.
Yeah.
This bedroom over here.
Yeah, what?
There's a front bedroom.
That's a front bedroom. Oh wow, have a bathtub here too. Full bathroom here.
This one.
There is. There
Big
is.
giant houses behind in front of you though.
We not know how much this. And there's the bathtub. And the sink there. Put the sink. Look like it's solid though, honey.
It's old. It's old.
No, solid.
No, I don't think so. I think I was thinking the opposite. Not solid. You know our house creaks.
And have here too. Like RJ. What you doing? Wow, 3 bathtub here. Have other bathtub. Have other room. What you do there?
I went back there.
And have other bathtub. Wow, 3 bathroom this, honey.
Man.
It's a 3 bathroom, honey.
Alright, let's go.
And look at in the top, in the roof. See in here. That's the aircon to the whole house. See? There. Wow, so big this. Have a 3 bedroom. And big living room here. At this living room so big. Okay.